Ellipses. We call that if you have a second degree equations and like the ones here is with the x squared and y squared have the same coefficient, then I can divide by 8. I get one of these x squared, y squared. Then I can do complete square each one. Then I get a circle. Now, if the number a and b are different numbers, so y divide, then I will get a different numbers for in front of y squared, then I will get ellipses. These are equation of ellipses. What are ellipses? Okay, ellipses consist of two foci where every point on the ellipses will have the sum of the distance. Like for instance here, P1 plus P2, two distances add together, it's going to be the same as Q1 plus Q2. In other words, if you can think of in terms of circle, we only have one center, so you have P and Q, it's the distance to the same point. But now we're splitting that point into two locations. So you have to add up the distance, and so you want those two sum to be the same. That forms the ellipse. And here, an ellipse has a center, and from two radii in the x horizontal radius and y vertical radius. Now, here is the standard form of the ellipse. From these equations, we can read out where the center is and where the x radius and y radius are. So, for example, here is the equation in the standard form. Then we can immediately identify the center is at 3 minus 1. And the x radius is 4, y radius is 2. So writing down information, then I can easily draw these. Here's the center. And here's the x radius is equal to 4, and y radius equal to 2. So I get the 4 points, and here's the ellipse, determines it. Okay, and here's the equation where we put back into the standard form by completing the square. How? We first now group the x, then group the y's, and make sure you factor out the x number in front of x squared. So we complete the square on these. So for the x, we add half of 2 squares 1. For the y, half of 4 is 2, 2 squares 4. So we add 1 and 4. But we cannot just add it. We have to balance out exactly how much we add, which is actually 9 and 16. So we do that on the other side. And then we finish completing the square. And then we have the center and the x and y radius. And that's it. That's a graph. Okay, bye-bye.